What is up, everyone? Welcome back to your daily stimulus check news. The topic of today's video is your fourth stimulus check update. Today is April 16th. Let's get right to the very first article. CNBC, will there be a fourth stimulus check? Here's what we know so far. We're gonna get more on this article later. Then we have this article right here. Yahoo Finance, you know it's legit. New monthly stimulus check for families will start in July, says the IRS. And last but certainly not least, California's $600 stimulus check, when they'll arrive and how much you could actually receive, how to track it. If you weren't aware, California is getting a $600 stimulus. As it says right here, California Governor Gavin Newsom signed a stimulus package into law February that includes a one-time direct payment of $600 to millions of Americans. Some 5.7 million Californians are eligible. And I want to let you guys know, if you do live in California, you definitely don't want to miss out on this, potential $600 fourth stimulus check. And like I said earlier, we're getting more in depth in this article as well as this article here, monthly stimulus checks. Both are 100% legit. We have Yahoo Finance. We also have CNBC. We're going to go into detail. We're going to summarize them. I just want to take 2 seconds to let you know I post daily videos and I give away free Amazon gift cards every single day in every single video. I give away over 1,350 free Amazon gift cards, over $23,000. Every single penny of my last 3 stimulus checks I've given away to people. If you want to enter the free Amazon giveaway, all you have to do is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and comment the color green. Just comment green or a green emoji, but you must hit that like and subscribe button and then comment the color green or just a green emoji to enter. That's pretty much it. Let's start with this article. Basically, families can expect to receive $3,600 per year per child that they own, which means $300 a month every single month. Hopefully, starting next month, you can expect to receive anywhere between $300 to $325 per child until the end of the year, the whole year, basically until a total of $3,600 has hit your bank account. So, for every single child you have, guys, you could actually expect to receive anywhere between $300 to $325 a month deposited in your bank account. That's very good news. If you're excited like I am, please hit that like button. Share this on social media so people know, your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram, whatever it may be. And finally, this article right here. So far, Joe Biden has went on record and said it's a possibility, but he's not 100% certain if it's going to, 100% going to happen. It's not confirmed. It's just in the air right now. According to my source, I have a source that's been working inside Senate and Congress for almost 6 years. They told me that they're very close to making a deal. Is it going to 100% happen? No, because something can fall through. If Congress, both the Senate and the House, Republicans, Democrats can agree, come to some kind of agreement and have some kind of final bill to put on his desk, if they can come to an agreement, he will sign it into law. But he's not gonna go out of his way right now because there's other things he's worried about in his Build Back Better package. But Biden did say if they present him with a bill on his desk, he will sign it if they can come to a compromise. Not only that, if you didn't watch my last video, Joe Biden went on record and said 2 more additional stimulus packages are 100% confirmed, and there's a budget of $4 trillion. Not only that, a lot of people, if you didn't watch my last video, I think it's this video, I definitely recommend you go watch it. Basically, just to quickly summarize that video, I definitely recommend you go watch it. But in that video, Joe Biden, in that article, should I say, actually went in detail and said he wants to give leftover $400 million from the last stimulus package, $400 million that was taken from your taxes, from you working because you are a citizen with a social. He wants to give that money, give it to illegal immigrants that don't work, that don't have a social security number, that don't pay taxes. This is absolutely unbelievable. Please comment below how you guys feel. That's pretty much it, guys. That's it for today. It's my second video. If you want to enter another giveaway, go to my last video right here 1 hour ago. The same code, the same color, just comment green. Hit that like. Daily videos, daily giveaways. If you want to support me, if you want to become part of the best community on YouTube, every single penny goes right back to buying more Amazon gift cards to give away. As a member, you get a diamond next to your name. You get exclusive members only emojis. You get members only content, members only community tab, exclusive pictures, live streams, giveaways, guys. A bunch of things for only 99 cents, less than $1. And the best part of all the money does go to charity. It goes to people in need. I also have a Patreon if you prefer using Patreon. And finally, last but not least, I do have a clothing line brand. If you guys want to support me, all the shirts, all the clothing are 100% cotton, very good design quality, and they're only $19.99. All the money goes to a good cause. Enter the giveaway, hit that like, be subscribed, comment. That's it for today, guys. Peace.